Did you see this video? The one with the crazy Slovenian and the world's best content creation tool. You could try it for free. You've seen spinners before, but you haven't seen one like this. Spin Rewriter is the go-to spinner of choice for half the internet marketing industry. So why is it so popular? Because it's the only one that comes with emulated natural language. When you go check out the sales page, you might notice that Aaron, the creator, has a bit of a funny accent. That's because he's Slovenian. He had to learn English as a second language. And that's given him the kind of understanding of the mechanics that most native speakers don't have. We can speak English great, but when someone talks about noun cases and verb declensions, your eyes kind of gloss over. But for Aaron, these things are part of a machine. And he was able to build this machine with his spinning algorithm. This means Spin Rewriter knows when you mean book as in novel or book as in reserve, and it adds the right synonyms. This means it can rewrite entire sentences. It can even create whole new paragraphs, which how it produces content that isn't just unique, it's human quality. Someone reads your spun article, they'll think a human wrote it. But look, I get that sounds a bit too good to be true. Really, to see how good Spin Rewriter is, you'll need to try it out for free. Aaron's offering a 5-day free trial. You won't pay anything, nada zilch squat, for 5 days. After that, it's a heavily discounted annually rate. You don't think Spin Rewriter lives up to the promise? Just cancel the account. But I'm willing to bet that you're going to be just as impressed as I am. Is it possible for 158,000 people to be wrong? Because that's how many people have used Spin Rewriter. I mean, even a bit more than that. But I can't blame Aaron for getting bored counting when he got that high. This isn't some fly-by-night spinning tool. This is the market leader. You can get a free trial to find out why. It's not a secret, I think Spin Rewriter is the best out there. But don't just take my word for it. It's helped Rob create hundreds of articles with little or no rewriting. Spin Rewriter has generally increased my productivity. I do a lot of content marketing, and being able to spin into unique articles without having to do much, if any, rewriting has made my process so much faster and efficient. If you are not using the power of Spin Rewriter in your business, you owe it to yourself to give it a try. It's cut Tim's content costs down by 90%. I love everything. Spin Rewriter is extremely easy to use, and the quality is the best available on the market. Period. Even if you are new to marketing, you know that content is a major cornerstone. We used to spend thousands of dollars having content developed. Using Spin Rewriter has cut our costs by 90%. The best part is we didn't have to sacrifice quality in order to increase production. It's one of Dan's core set. Spin Rewriter was one of the first marketing tools that I've ever bought. It's the only marketing tool that I've stuck with over the past year and a half. Aside from the competition and link analyst tools, Moz, Magistics, RFs and SEM Rush is the only product you really need to get yourself started. I use it weekly and I would highly recommend it. Might save thousands of hours. Spin Rewriter has saved me hundreds if not thousands of hours. I've had articles and content that needed to be pushed and published to the thousands of locations. With Spin Rewriter, with a few clicks, I was given thousands of unique articles in a matter of minutes. The time saved by Spin Rewriter has been invaluable. Kevin's a big fan of how widely the API is supported. I love that it integrates with most software on the market. I've tried all the spinners out there and nothing compares to Spin Rewriter. It is by far the easiest to use, the most powerful spinner that provides the best results on the market. These are just a few of the people who have found that Spin Rewriter put their business into overdrive. You can join them. And you can try it out for free by following the link just below this video.